Under the theme Stop, Think, Own Your Privacy, this year's Data Privacy Day shed light on the legal position various stakeholders have when private data is breached.
The state, for security purposes, may decide to eavesdrop or even tap into the data of citizens. Now, now Associate Professor Ronald Kakungulu Mayambala, in his paper, Phone Tapping and the Right to Privacy, a comparison of the right to privacy and communications in Uganda and Canada, lists a series of alleged phone tapping incidents involving especially members of the opposition, which were reported in the press. One of them, I think, was recently confirmed, included a member of parliament, the Honorable Cecilia Oga, may her soul rest in peace, who had her telephone conversation with the rebel leader of the Lord's Resistance Army tapped.
Article 27 of the Ugandan Constitution, titled Right to Privacy of Person, Home and Other Property, safeguards individuals from unlawful searches, entries and interference with their personal space and property. It explicitly prohibits unauthorized searches or entries into a person's home or property, and ensures the protection of privacy in matters such as correspondence and communication.
By prioritizing the data protection needs of the blind and visually impaired, we aim to create an environment where every Ugandan, regardless of their abilities, can take charge of their privacy and understand and confidently assert their privacy rights.
As Uganda's public and private sectors increasingly adopt technology for efficiency, risks of data breach are likely to occur if the available laws are not strictly implemented.
What is very, very important to me, I want to look at data from a perspective of how we can benefit from it. All these companies that we are admiring, all the big tech, all the billionaires, they're exploiting our data and they are getting money from it. So me, who is processing a budget of 52 trillion, when we have 250 unfunded priorities at 250 trillion in the form of unfunded priorities. For the Data Protection Office, Honorable Minister, I'm trying to see, beyond protecting data, how can we benefit from this data?
I am a medical practitioner. For us, we learn this in the medical profession, that when you interact with the patient discloses a lot of information about himself.
This year's commemoration at Mestil Hotel, Kampala, was organized by the NITA-U Personal Data Office of Uganda in partnership with the ICT Ministry and the UN Global Pulse, an initiative of the United Nations that focuses on harnessing the power of big data and analytics for sustainable development. Wadulo Makanold for UBC Business.